What is software and how does it work? To anyone with a background in software or software development, that might seem like a foolish question. But to anyone without a background in it, a lot of understandable confusion can occur. This video and many videos after it are for those with no background in software whatsoever. So again, what is software and how does it work? Some view it like magic or some mystical force that only a few can understand. And some view it as something incredibly difficult or tedious. Some view it like the Matrix and assume that you have to code everything in zeros and ones. The truth is that software development, while it can be difficult, is much simpler than you might think to learn and to understand. Let me show you. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful or if you have any questions, I would love to hang out with you. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can also find me on Discord. The links for those are in the description down below. This is a simple JavaScript program that will solve the equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 for any positive number that you provide. It also includes almost everything that you'll use every day in software development. If this feels intimidating to you, don't worry. In the next several videos, I'll be covering every aspect of this program and explaining what each thing is, what it does, and how you can use it in your own software projects. To give a basic idea of what you're seeing, this program consists of variables, a function, conditionals, and loops. Let me explain. Variables, which you can see here, are names or words that contain data. They basically allow you to easily manage the data that you're working with using words or designations that you can remember. Functions, which you can see here, are blocks of code that you need to easily repeat on command, but with different pieces of data each time. In this example, the function allows us to solve the equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 for any positive number we give it. This is how you define a function. In software terms, this is considered declaring a function. This is how you use a function. In software terms, this is called calling a function. Conditionals, which you can see here, are blocks of code that change the behavior of your program based on different situations that you specify. In this example, the function will run the equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 if both x and y are positive numbers. If either x or y are negative, a message will be printed out on the screen telling you to provide positive numbers for both x and y. Loops, which you can see here, are blocks of code that will run repeatedly back to back for a certain number of times. In this example, the loop will run for as many times as there are values for x and y. If you're still confused, don't worry. Seeing code for the first time can be a little overwhelming. In the description below this video, you'll find playlist links to different coding languages that will show you the basics that I've just shown you in the language of your choice. If you don't see the language you're looking for in that list, Let me know what you're looking for in the comments, and I'll see what I can do. If you have any other questions, or if you would like to just hang out and talk about life, feel free to join us on Twitch and Discord. The links for those are also in the description down below. I look forward to seeing you soon. Stay awesome.